How to install n8n, one of the most widely used Linux distributions. Let's get started. First, make sure your system is up to date. To avoid any compatibility issues, open your terminal and run the following commands. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Once your system is updated, the next step is to install Node.js and npm. As n8n depends on them, you can either use Ubuntu's package manager. One for the latest version installed from Node source, recommended for best compatibility. After Node.js and npm are ready, install n8n globally with this command npm install n8ng. Now you can start n8n by simply typing n8n. This will launch a local web server. Open your browser and go to HTTP localhost 5678 or use your server's IP address if you are running it remotely. You will now see the n8n dashboard ready for you to start building workflows. To keep n8n running in the background even after closing the terminal, use a process manager like PM2. npm install PM2 npm to start n8n. For a more robust setup, consider configuring your firewall to allow traffic on port 5678 and setting up a domain name with SSL encryption using tools like Let's Encrypt. Running n8n on Ubuntu gives you flexibility, control, and the power to auto-want anything on your way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.